In this video I'm going to show you guys how to make an admin on your Facebook group. So let's get started. First of all, go to your Facebook group right now and click on members right here. As you can see, all my members are right here. So I want to add this account, for example, as an admin. So just click on the three dots on that account and just click on make admin and click on send invite, and that's basically it. Now the other one has to accept the invite and he's an admin as well. So yeah, if that helped you out, please leave a like, let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.